So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Discord is stuck on the updating process. Now, in order to get it released, even if you have resetted the system or resetted the Discord, it's still not working. In order to get that fix, simply open the task manager or just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Inside here, you need to type %app data percent. Once you do it and hit enter, you'll notice a folder will appear right in front of you. Now in this folder, you need to find the folder that is named as Discord. You need to just simply delete that particular Discord folder. That's the temporary file that have been stored as the update files. Just simply delete that particular folder and you'll notice now once you start the Discord again, the update process will begin without stucking on one step. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.